This is for the assignment Tableau Desktop 2, and the first section is the try it for the creating groups and your data. So in the dimensions pane, click the arrow to open the menu and select create group, and then Control plus select Australia, Zealand, New Zealand, and this one, and click group. In the create group dialog, rename the alias Oceania. And that's the expected result. Alright, group all other countries together as other. Place the check in the include other checkbox. Alright, that's the expected result, and we got it. Name the group field Oceania region. In the field name, which is right here, delete country group and replace it with Oceania region. Oceania region. Click OK. Drop the newly created group field onto rows. So rows, to the Oceania region. And then this one is average life expectancy. Alright. And now we've completed that try it section. Alright, now we're doing the creating hierarchies in your data try it section. Alright, so I've already downloaded this onto Tableau Desktop. Now we're going to create a hierarchy called salesperson by region using the field region and salesperson. In the data pane, drag the salesperson field onto the region onto the region field. This opens a dialog box. Onto the region fields. The expected result is to put there. Onto the region fields. So this opens a dialog box. Name the hierarchy salesperson by region. Oh, I see. Okay. So I do put this on the region. Hit OK. And then drag that to columns. Or not yet. What's this? Sum of sales. Okay, so we put that there. Alright, name the hierarchy salesperson by region. In the create hierarchy dialog box next to name, change region salesperson to salesperson by region. Salesperson by region. Alright. That's what it looks like. Drag the new hierarchy to rows and expand it. Drag salesperson by region to rows. Click the plus to drill down. This can be performed on the shelf or in the view. So this is click the plus to drill down. Where's the plus? Click the plus to drill down. This can be performed on a shelf or in the view. This is the expected result. Oh, here's the plus. There we go. Can I add color? No, we won't do that now. Alright. And yep, that's what it looks like. Alrighty. Sort sales in descending order. In the view, hover over the sales axis. And click the descending sort icon. Right. And yep, that's what it looks like. Alright, I did the try it section for creating hierarchies in your data. Going to the next section now. Alright, understanding filtering in Tableau. Didn't have a try it section, but I'm just recording this part so you know that I read through it and completed the knowledge checks and such. Alright, now we're on the try it section for the filtering your data module. I already opened the starter file in Tableau, and so now we're going to get on with the try it activity. Create a filter for order date to show discrete dates. Open the starter file from your saved location. Drag order date into the filters shelf. Order date to the filters shelf. In the filter field dialog box, select the discrete years part and then click next. Select all years from the list and then click OK. Click the image to enlarge it. Oh, that's just talking about this. Alrighty. Show the date filter in the view. Right-click the order date filter in the view, and then click Show Filter. Change the title of the order date filter to Customers by Year. Display the drop-down menu for the order date filter and select Edit Title. It's probably just rename, or what's this? Edit Title. I'll just rename Customers by Year. Enter. Use the filters and answer the following question about the customer for each year. What do you notice about the top customers over the years? (2017) and 2018, 2019, 2020. Yeah. I answered this before, and it's Tamara-chan does not feature in the top customers list for 2020. So she's in it for, she's right there for 2017. For 2018, she's right there. For 2019, she's right there. But for 2020, she does not appear. Alright, see you in the next try it section. Alright, now I'm doing the try it section for the sorting your data module. I already downloaded the sorting data starter and I'm going on to the first step. Alright, click the sort icon on the sales axis. Now it's in order. Based on the sort results, which item had the least sales? That would be fasteners. Yep. Alright, sort the visualization to determine which items are the most and least profitable. And click the drop-down menu for subcategory on the rows shelf. Click the sort option, and from sort by field, select field. Leave the sort order as descending. For the field name, select profit and leave the aggregation set to sum. Close the dialog box. Confirm the results of sorting by dragging profit to color. Based on the sort results, which item is the least profitable? Tables would be the least profitable. Yep. Alright. Number 4, define a manual sort order so that the technology category is always at the top. Drag category from the data pane to the rows shelf to the left of subcategory field. Alright, drag category to the left of subcategory. Drag the technology field header and drop it above the furniture category. You can also do this using the sort dialog box. Alright, did that. Clear the manual sort and resort the visualization to determine which items had the most and the least sales within each category. Click the drop-down menu on the category field. Click Clear Sort. Click the drop-down menu on the subcategory fields. Click the Sort option. Select Nested under Sort By. In the Sort dialog box, select Sales under Field Name. Leave the remaining settings to the default to close the dialog box. Based on the sort results, which item had the least sales in technology category? The least amount of sales would be the copiers. Yep. Alright. Done the try it section for sorting your data. I'll see you in the next section. Alright, now I'm doing the last try it section for everything for the module using sets to highlight data. Alright, so create a fixed set named top selling items that include items with sales over 140K. Select all marks that have sales over 140K. Just 1 second, I think I need to sort this out so it shows all the dots. Alright, I figured out how to get all the dots. I just had to put the subcategory right there. So select all marks that have sales over 140,000. Alright. Hover over a mark until additional options appear. Click the set icon and then select Create Set. Type top selling items in the name field. Click OK. Alright. The expected results. Use the top selling items set in the view to show the profits generated by the top selling items compared with the remaining items. Drag the top selling items set to colors on the marks card. Remove subcategory from the view. Expected results. Yep. Based on the results from the previous step, what's the comparison of the profits generated by top selling items compared to the rest? Top selling items generate more than 2 times the profits generated by the remaining items. That's true, but let me read the other ones. Top selling items generate more than submit. And that is correct. Alright. Use the top selling item set as a filter to determine which item outside the set is the most profitable. Drag top selling items from colors to the filters shelf. Select out in the filter dialog box and then click OK. Right-click the top selling items filter in the filters shelf and select Show Filter. Add subcategory to details. Alright, the expected result. Yep. Based on the results from the previous view, which product has sales below 100,000 but is highly profitable? Sales below 100,000 is highly profitable. That would be paper. Yep, and that is correct. Create a new set named Bottom 10 Profits to include 10 items that are least profitable. Tableau Desktop only, and we're working on Tableau Desktop. Right-click subcategory in the data pane. From the menu, point to Create and then select Set. Type Bottom 10 Profits in the name fields. Click the top tab and then select By Field. Wait, click Top tab. Oh, yep, there it is. Select By Field. From the drop-down list, select Bottom. Leave the value 10 under By Field. Specify Profit as the field and leave the aggregation as Sum. So specify Profit as the field and leave the aggregation as Sum. Click OK. Drag the bottom 10 profit set to color on the marks card. Right. Combine the top selling items and bottom 10 profit sets to determine which items are the most sold but least profitable. Name the set top and bottom items. Tableau Desktop only. Remove bottom 10 profits from the view. Multi-select top selling items and bottom 10 profits. So top selling items and bottom 10 profits. Then select Create Combined Set. Type top and bottom items in the name fields. check shared members in both sets. Click OK. Yep. Top selling items. Drag the top and bottom items set to color on the marks card. Which item have sales over 140K but also low profitability? That would be tables and machines. Submit. Yep, that's correct. Alright, now I've completed all of these. I'll show the checks by each module in a moment. Alright, right here shows that I did everything for Tableau Desktop 2. We got creating groups in your data, creating hierarchies in your data, understanding filtering in Tableau, filtering your data, sorting your data, and finally using sets to highlight data.